Hello everyone, my name is Ramandeep Kaur. I'm BTech in Food Technology from Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar, and right now I'm working as GAT at Nestle Mocha Factory, Punjab. Friends, as we all know, the whole world is facing this COVID-19 pandemic, and it is proliferating day by day. As on the daily basis, we read it on the newspapers as well as we hear it on the news channels that the COVID cases are rising so much day by day. So I think it should be the basic responsibility of each and every human being to follow the general basic hygiene principles and to maintain the cleanliness. So there are some activities which everyone should follow to avoid getting this virus into their body. For example, each time we are going out of our house, we should use the clean masks. We should maintain social distancing between ourselves. We should avoid sharing our personal things, our personal stuffs, as well as food. Like, for example, we should avoid sharing our towels, our clothes, etc., etc. And most importantly, the thing on which we should focus on, I think, is the hand washing procedure. Most of us often forget to wash our hands before doing anything, and if we wash our hands, we don't know how to wash them properly. We don't know the exact procedure that how the hands should be washed properly. So I'll be talking about when and how to wash our hands. So here I'm going to talk about when to wash our hands. As we do a lot of activities in our day-to-day life, but we often forget washing our hands before and after doing those particular activities. And these acts of carelessness can cause big harms. So in this phase of COVID pandemic, we must wash our hands before and after doing these activities, as well as in general. For our personal hygiene and cleanliness, we must wash our hands before doing and after doing some particular activities. So here are some of the activities. Before and after doing them, we need to wash our hands, like before and after handling or preparing any food item, after sneezing, coughing, or scratching any part of our body. There are chances that after sneezing or coughing, the germs may get inside our body through our hands, so we need to wash hands properly. After handling a tissue or a handkerchief, after touching your face, hair, clothes, or any body part, after drinking, eating, and after having meals, after using toilets, there's the must need to wash our hands. Before and after handling the raw materials, for example, we are dealing with the raw poultry, raw meats, there are large chances of getting our body infected through these kind of things. So we need to wash hands properly before and after doing this kind of thing. After smoking, chewing gums, before having food, beverages, etc. After cleaning, washing dishes in which we were having food, we need to wash hands. And most importantly, before putting gloves on our hands and removing gloves off from our hands, we need to wash hands properly in a proper manner, so that we could avoid germs getting into our body and making us infectious. Okay, so here we'll be discussing about the proper hand washing procedure, that what are the steps which are to be followed while washing our hands properly. So this slide represents the steps which are to be followed during our hand washing procedure. So let's start the practical demonstration of our hand washing procedure. First of all, we'll take some soap on our hands and then rinse it with some water. First step is to rub our hands like this, and then the second step is to rub in between the fingers like this, and then third step is to rub one hand over the other properly like this. Then fourth step is to rub our nails against the palm so as to remove the dirt and dust properly from our nails. And then fifth step is to rub our thumbs like this. And then the last and sixth step is to rub our wrists like this. And then we'll wash our hands with water properly. Then we'll close the tap with our elbow or using some tissues. After washing, we'll dry our hands. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Be safe and take care in this corona pandemic.